Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. Today we will see about 5-door Mahindra Thar. Launch: it is expected to debut in August 2023. Price: Mahindra's extended Thar is expected to have a starting price of 15 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Engine and transmission: the engine options for the 5-door Thar will be the same as those for the off 3-door Rotor's counterpart, but slightly retuned. A 2-liter turbo petrol and a 2.2-liter diesel engine. These engines should be offered with both a 6-speed manual transmission and an automatic transmission. Mahindra is expected to offer the 5-door Thar with both RWD and 4WD configurations. Features: its features list could include auto climate control, rear AC vents and push-button start/stop over the existing features of the 3-door Thar. Safety: in terms of passenger safety, it could come with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Rivals: the 5-door Thar will compete with the Maruti Suzuki Jimny and the 5-door Force Gurkha. Specification of Mahindra Thar 5-door. Fuel type diesel. Engine displacement 2184 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type manual. Body type SUV. Thank you watching my video. Don't forget subscribe.